In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zoho Books certification. Whether you're a seasoned accountant looking to enhance your qualifications or a business owner trying to better manage your finances, getting certified in Zoho Books is a valuable asset. Let's guide you through the steps that will set you on this rewarding path. First, you'll want to enroll in a training class. It's important to decide which learning environment suits you best. Zoho offers a variety of formats that cater to different learning styles. You might choose online sessions that you can complete at your own pace, attend a physical institute for in-person interaction, or opt for specialized virtual training. Official Zoho channels and their authorized training partners are reliable sources to find these classes. Choosing the right format is crucial, as it should fit with your schedule and learning preferences to ensure you get the most out of the training experience. Once you're enrolled, it's time to dive into the training itself. Make sure you attend all lectures and engage thoroughly with each training module. These modules are comprehensive and designed to cover everything from the basic setup of Zoho Books to advanced functionalities such as budgeting, reporting, and more. Paying close attention during these sessions will equip you with both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. Don't hesitate to ask questions or seek clarification on complex topics. The more you understand, the better prepared you'll be for the next step. After completing the training, the next crucial step is to register for the certification exam. This is your opportunity to showcase the knowledge and skills you've acquired. The process is straightforward. You'll need to sign up through the official Zoho website. It's a good idea to double-check all the requirements and deadlines for registration to ensure everything goes smoothly. Preparing thoroughly for the exam is key, so review all your training materials and consider engaging in discussions with peers or participating in study groups to reinforce your understanding. Now comes the moment of truth, taking the certification exam. This is designed to assess your proficiency in using Zoho Books. It's natural to feel some nerves, but remember, you've put in the time and effort. Approach the exam with confidence, knowing you've covered all necessary bases. During the test, read each question carefully and manage your time effectively to ensure you complete all sections. Finally, if you've passed the exam, congratulations, you've earned your official Zoho Books Certified Professional Certificate. This certificate is a testament to your expertise and dedication, and it's a credential that can enhance your professional resume significantly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming certified in Zoho Books, a tool that can transform how you handle business finances. Good luck on your journey to certification, and thank you for tuning in today.